Eco-efficient building is now standard, driven by urbanization and rising energy demands. Beyond reducing environmental impact, it optimizes resources, meets regulations, and adds long-term value. Clients seek measurable benefits, from design to materials. Early planning embeds sustainable practices, preventing costly reactive changes and ensuring lasting performance. What sets eco-efficient buildings apart? Eco-efficient buildings go beyond the traditional notion of green. They aim to deliver the highest possible performance with the lowest possible environmental impact. This includes using less water, energy, and raw materials while extending durability, reducing waste, and improving occupant well-being. In practice, that means aligning three pillars from the start: environmental impact reduction, CHAG, economic resource optimization, LASH, high-functioning design across the building lifecycle. The U.S. General Services Administration, GSA, applies this alignment through its sustainable design principles, which include improving air quality, minimizing fossil fuel use, and achieving at least 30% better energy performance than ASHRAE 90.1 standards. All new GSA buildings must also target net zero operational emissions by 2030, a benchmark mirrored in many commercial developments. Why early design decisions matter. The biggest sustainability gains come early. Prioritizing eco-efficiency in pre-design reduces environmental impact and future costs. A 2021 study used LCA, DEA, and regression modeling to compare design options efficiently, showing that even limited data can guide high-impact decisions. Scenario planning, as in a Portuguese retrofit, revealed how energy use, materials, and lifespan assumptions affect both financial and environmental outcomes, highlighting the value of early-stage eco-efficient design. Real-world strategies in action. A variety of technologies and planning methods support eco-efficient outcomes. When layered strategically, they form a comprehensive sustainability playbook that can flex to meet different climates, building types, and budgets. Passive and active design elements. Designing with nature reduces energy demand from the outset. Strategies include orientation and shading for thermal regulation, daylighting to cut down on artificial lighting, green roofs and walls for insulation and water management. These features aren't limited to premium builds. In cities like Freiburg and Malmö, dense, walkable communities use passive design and shared infrastructure to lower heating, cooling, and transportation emissions at scale. Materials and resource optimization. Material choices directly shape eco-efficiency, from recycling demolition waste to using low-impact composites. A Canadian brewery redevelopment reused materials and added efficient systems, cutting demand while preserving value. Renewable strategies, solar PV, solar heating, efficient HVAC, LEDs, and smart design push projects toward net zero performance with significant long-term savings. Measuring and managing eco-efficiency. Sustainability isn't about features alone, but how they perform over time. Tools like the GSA's Sustainable Design Checklist, Kahwa app, and models like SBM DEA reveal performance patterns. LEED remains a global benchmark, valued for promoting lifecycle thinking, cross-regional collaboration, and knowledge sharing that drive lasting efficiency and innovation. Social impact and human well-being. Eco-efficiency is also human. Buildings that reduce energy and water use also tend to support occupant well-being. Better indoor air quality, quieter systems, and natural lighting contribute to comfort, focus, and health. Studies have shown that employees working in green-certified buildings report higher satisfaction and productivity. Social inclusion also plays a growing role. Projects that include community input, accessible design, and culturally relevant spaces extend eco-efficiency into the realm of urban equity. Cities that prioritize public green spaces and active transport infrastructure multiply the positive impact beyond the building footprint. Eco-efficient building is a present imperative. From early-stage modeling to material reuse and long-term performance tracking, the most successful projects apply sustainability as a discipline, not an afterthought, as the built environment faces mounting pressure to do more with less. Firms are proving that excellence and eco-efficiency can and should go hand in hand. Whether designing a government facility or a residential neighborhood, Managing for maximum sustainability starts with informed, integrated decisions. The payoff is not just a lower carbon footprint, but stronger communities, healthier spaces, and a more resilient future.